On behalf of Arundel Community College, I want to extend a warm welcome to everyone from Stratford University. We are ready to serve you. We know this can be a challenging and confusing time. Our team can work with you to determine the best way to complete a degree, a workforce certificate, or additional career training. Our campus is located in Arnold, with satellite locations at Arundel Mills and Glen Burnie Town Center. For added flexibility and convenience, we have numerous online courses and hybrid courses that combine in-person studies with remote learning. Throughout the college, you will find support services, from admissions to financial aid to a state-of-the-art library, from tutoring to computer labs to a writing center, and much more. Our qualified advisors can help you find the best paths to transfer, while our outstanding faculty will give you the tools you need to succeed now and in the future. Whatever questions you have, we can answer them. Wherever you are in your educational journey, we can help you redefine yourself and achieve your personal and professional goals. We look forward to working with you.